Hello guys, so let's proceed to our video tutorial about, I forgot the name of our class. I think this is Barcode-Based Property Inventory System. Okay, so our topic for today is all about selecting all the data in our database and then print it in using JasperReport. So you have the report of the list of our property. Okay, so first we need to open the iReport, and then let's create the report first. So let's go to file and then new, and then I will use the sample design to make it fast. Okay, actually, because this is select all data in a particular table without condition, I will use the wizard to make it fast. So click this simple blue sample report and then launch template. I am using the wizard. Okay, select. I will name the report as select property, and then I will execute query, design query, and then double click the property. This is select all, so just select all the information and okay, and then next. What happened to the design? Okay, and then select all, next. No need. Do we need to group by? Okay, let's group by according to the owner. Okay, next, and then generate. So this is the sample. I don't like group by. Let's preview the result. Group by, this is group according to the owner of the property. So this one is Sir Joecabz. Okay, let's edit the design. Property owner, it's too big, right? Can we make it smaller? I will put like 20, 18, just 18. This one is barcode. I will rename this one as code, and this one is type. This one is description, and this one is tape. Okay, and I will put this one here. Try to preview. This is the sample result, and then the title, list of property by owner. Let's make this one smaller, like 20, I think. Can we make it like 24? Description here. Let's put the date. What is the date? Or the page column. Yeah, okay, we can make like this one. List of property by owner. Okay, so this is according to date, name of the person. Let's rearrange. property. Okay, descriptions. This is something like overlapping. Hey, what happened to you? Hey. Ah. Okay, that's it. At least. And now next is, let's go to, we have this data now. Let's go to our netbeans, our software. So when we need to display the data first when we run the program here, and then click the report. So this is just a simple search here. If you want to search something, we already have the code in the other program. This one is to print the entire data here. Okay, so to do that, let's our first task is to display the information in here. So go to source, and then we will make, can we write here? Okay, we will make a code that will display all information from the database. So first is the data is coming from our library. So let's declare the property. Let's name it as property, new property. Okay, and then let's make a method, public void select all. Let's name it as select all, and then we need to declare a default model, default table model for our model. We will name it as model, as the as the name of our table, which is table 1, and get the model. Okay, so we have now the default model to use. It will ask you to cast the default get model. So just click the casting, and then let's set the model as 0 data to make sure that it is empty. 0 row count should be 0. Set row count to 0, and then we will instantiate now our property. Prop, are we using prop? Yeah. Prop that equals new. I already instantiate this one at the top. Okay. It's better to declare first. and then Control C. Just declare here so that it will be clean every now and then. Okay, and next is prop that, let's call all the methods that will display all the information of the property, like select this one, select all property. Okay, and then let's display it using for loop for I equals to 0, and then this one is prop that's get data that the size of the data. Okay, and then I plus plus, and then let's put our data, every data should be added as a row, that is row vector in our table. So prop that get data according to the individual, according to index. Okay, it will ask you to cascade in the data into vector format. So I think I don't need this one. Yeah, save, and then we have now this method. We will put this method once we open the form. So put it here, call the method here, the select property, select all. Okay, try to run the code or the program. When you run the program and click the report, it will display all the information here. We don't have the code for click the print here, so we will now create the print here. Print all the information in the table by clicking this button. Okay, let's proceed. Go to our report are saved in here. This one, select property. Okay, so right click the button, event action perform. Next is we should declare the path of our report. So this is the path of our report. It is in the source packages and then in the folder report. Next is let's create a try catch to make sure that we can catch all the problems that might encounter in our program. And then next is create the connection first, db connection, call it connection equals new db connection. Okay, next is we will create a JasperReport. First is the design, so let's instantiate or declare a design. So it will be converted all the information of the report as the grxml format. So let's load that file from report report file, the path, and then we will concat the name of our JasperReport, which is select property. Select property .grxml. JasperReport JReport equals Jasper compile manager dot compile report and J design column. Okay, and next is Jasper print J print, and then J print. This is to print our data. So this is Jasper we need to fill the manager, and then to fill the report, call the fill report method. Should have 1 2 3 4 parameters. 1 2 3. This one. We will put our report, the J report here. We don't have parameters, so it should be null. Okay, and then the connection, we have declared the connection that get connection host report. Okay, and then semicolon. The next part is to view the Jasper report. View report. What's the name of our report? The JPrint. And then let's make this one as false. Okay, that's it. And then run the program. So just follow this code. Make sure that the name of the file that you load here is same with this file that we created in JasperReport. And then let's try to run the program. So you have this program now. Click the report. It will display all the information in the table. When you click the print, it should be display like this. So you have now the list of property by owner. You have the code, the type, description, and date. Okay, you can modify this one if you like. It's up to you. So the report is according to the name of the owner. So like Sir Joecabz, Professor Ponce, Professor Dalagan. So that's it. That's all. You can print if you have the printer, and then or you can save it as PDF format actually. So you can save that one as PDF format. So that's all for our presentation for today. Hope you learn on how to create a report that will display all the information from the table.